This motorhome is the Sun integrated 900 LEG from Knaus, and I am going to show it to you in under 3 minutes. If you want to have more details of it, price, length and all the rest of other details, then there will be a link below to take you to films where I have done this in more detail. I did make some comment about this vehicle a few years ago, saying it looked like a nightclub in Moscow in the 1990s, and to be quite honest, I can see where I was getting the idea from. I think it looks a little less gaudy now, but it is somewhat dark. But you know, you've got a 9-meter motorhome. It's going to be difficult to park, but it does offer all of these facilities inside. The price for this, I mean, it depends on the options and all sorts of other things, but you're probably looking at around 150,000 euros. Very large kitchen though, isn't it? And supremely large kitchen, and under here I believe is the television. It was meant to be the television. There you go. And you sit in this rather nice sitting group with Agouti premium seats, which are very comfortable. Fridge here, and these cabinets, which I think are now going a bit out of fashion as far as motorhomes are concerned. It is rather nicely appointed. It does come at the price approximately that I said earlier. It's on a tag axle, huge garage here, which I think can take 450 kilos, but don't put 450 kilos in it if you've got one without checking from the manufacturer first. Take you around here as well, so you've got all of the storage on the outside at the same time. Now, as always, I need to point out that these videos are for entertainment purposes only, and you need to check the financial standing of the company before you purchase anything. So that's a good reason to get a second-hand one, but also check on service as well. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. Lots more 3-minute videos, and please see the more detailed video for more information.